Accessibility testing practice interview questions. Question 1. What is the purpose of accessibility testing? A. Ensure usability for all users. B. Improve website aesthetics. C. Increase website speed. D. Optimize for search engines. The correct answer is A. Ensure usability for all users. Accessibility testing ensures that websites are usable by people with disabilities. Question 2. Which guideline helps ensure accessible web content? A. WCAG. B. ISO 9001. C. HIPAA. D. PCI-DSS. The correct answer is A. WCAG. WCAG Web Content Accessibility Guidelines outlines web accessibility standards. Question 3. Which color contrast ratio is recommended for text accessibility? The correct answer is A. 4.5 to 1. WCAG recommends a 4.5 to 1 contrast ratio for normal text. Question 4. Which HTML element should be used to provide text alternatives? A. Alt. B. Title. C. ARIA label. D. Data alt. The correct answer is A. Alt. The alt attribute provides alternative text for images. Question 5. What is the purpose of ARIA roles in web development? A. Improve accessibility for screen readers. B. Enhance visual appearance. C. Reduce load times. D. Improve SEO ranking. The correct answer is A. Improve accessibility for screen readers. ARIA roles help assistive technologies interpret web content correctly. Question 6. What is keyboard navigation in accessibility testing? A. Testing website usability without a mouse. B. Testing the website's visual design. C. Testing the website's loading time. D. Testing website links only. The correct answer is A. Testing website usability without a mouse. Keyboard navigation ensures users can interact with a site without a mouse. Question 7. What does the acronym WCAG stand for? A. Web Content Accessibility Guidelines. B. Web Communication and Assistance Guidelines. C. Website Component Accessibility Grid. D. Web Content Automated Guidelines. The correct answer is A. Web Content Accessibility Guidelines. WCAG provides guidelines for creating accessible web content. Question 8. Which tool can help automate accessibility testing? A. Wave. B. Jest. C. Selenium. D. Docker. The correct answer is A. Wave. Wave is a popular tool for automated web accessibility testing. Question 9. What does ScreenReader do? A. Reads the text aloud for visually impaired users. B. Speeds up website loading. C. Improves search rankings. D. Highlights content on the screen. The correct answer is A. Reads the text aloud for visually impaired users. Screen readers read text aloud to help users with visual impairments. Question 10. Which HTML element defines a clickable button? The correct answer is A. Button. The button element is used to create clickable buttons on web pages. Question 11. What does focus mean in accessibility testing? A. The visible selection on an element. B. The active link color. C. The element's background color. D. The page's font style. The correct answer is A. The visible selection on an element. Focus indicates which element is active and can be interacted with. Question 12. What does semantic HTML refer to? A. Using HTML tags for their intended purpose. B. Writing shorter HTML code. C. Using inline styles for page design. D. Optimizing page loading time. The correct answer is A. Using HTML tags for their intended purpose. Semantic HTML ensures that HTML elements are used according to their meaning. Question 13. What does the alt attribute improve for images? A. Accessibility for screen readers. B. Search engine ranking. C. Image load speed. D. Visual design of images. The correct answer is A. Accessibility for screen readers. The alt attribute provides text alternatives for visually impaired users. Question 14. Which is an example of an accessible form field? A. Labeled input fields with clear descriptions. B. Input fields without labels. C. Using placeholder text in input fields. D. Input fields with hidden labels. The correct answer is A. Labeled input fields with clear descriptions. Accessible forms use labels to describe the purpose of input fields. Question 15. How do you test color contrast for accessibility? A. Use a color contrast checker tool. B. Manually check the design. C. Count the colors used. D. Analyze screen reader output. The correct answer is A. Use a color contrast checker tool. Color contrast checkers ensure that text is readable for users with visual impairments. Question 16. What is the purpose of a skip navigation link? A. Allow keyboard users to skip repetitive content. B. Add a back to top button. C. Improve page load speed. D. Reduce page size. The correct answer is A. Allow keyboard users to skip repetitive content. Skip navigation helps users jump directly to the main content using the keyboard. Question 17. Which testing tool checks web accessibility against WCAG? A. Wave. B. Axe. C. Both A and B. D. Google Lighthouse. The correct answer is C. Both A and B. Wave and Axe both check websites against WCAG guidelines. Question 18. What is the WCAG 2.1 standard? A. A web accessibility guideline for disabled users. B. A framework for web design. C. A web development certification. D. A legal requirement for websites. The correct answer is A. A web accessibility guideline for disabled users. WCAG 2.1 focuses on improving accessibility for people with disabilities. Question 19. What is the first step in accessibility testing? A. Identify accessibility issues. B. Create a website prototype. C. Define the project scope. D. Set up testing environments. The correct answer is A. Identify accessibility issues. Identifying accessibility issues is the first step in addressing them. Question 20. What does screen magnification refer to in accessibility? A. Increasing the size of text and images. B. Using high contrast colors. C. Improving page load times. D. Improving audio output. The correct answer is A. Increasing the size of text and images. Screen magnification helps users with low vision by enlarging page elements.